Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Magic Studio. Canva's Magic Studio is a powerful collection of artificial intelligence tools designed to supercharge your creative workflow. You can access these features directly from the Canva homepage or seamlessly within any design project. It integrates advanced AI to help you create stunning visuals and compelling content with remarkable ease and efficiency, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's dive into Magic Design and Magic Write. Magic Design allows you to instantly generate a variety of templates simply by describing your idea, offering many options in seconds. Magic Write, on the other hand, helps you craft compelling text, whether you need a catchy headline or an entire blog post. These two tools work wonderfully in tandem, enabling you to rapidly produce both the visual and written elements of your projects. Next up are Magic Edit and Magic Grab, fantastic for image manipulation. Magic Edit empowers you to add or replace objects within your photos using simple text prompts, transforming your images in just a few clicks. Magic Grab intelligently identifies and separates the main subject from its background, allowing you to reposition or resize it effortlessly. These features provide incredible precision and flexibility for refining your visual compositions. Finally, let's explore Magic Switch and Brand Voice. Magic Switch is a game changer, allowing you to instantly convert your design into various formats, like a presentation into a social media post, in just one click. Brand Voice ensures that any text generated by AI consistently aligns with your brand's unique tone and style. Together, these tools significantly boost your efficiency, ensuring consistency and adaptability across all your creative endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.